Hi everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. So into this video I'm going straight to the point. I want to talk about a sunblock here, not sunscreen, because the other video I did, I made a review of sunscreen. Though I use several sunscreens, but this particular one I'm going to review is my first time of using it. I think I bought it like a month or two, let me say up to 2 months now. So this is my first time of using this, and I've used it for like a month plus, and I decided to share with you my experience. So this product is a sunblock. This is the sunblock I'm talking about. Yeah, this is the sunblock I said I want to review. Yeah, I reviewed sunscreen like I told you. I'm still in the process of exploring sunscreen. Like the sunscreen I made a review of last time. I think I said I'll give it a pass mark of 75 or 80%. Yeah, not really like 100% pass mark. Well, this is the one. This is how it looks. This is how it looks like when you open it, and this is the inside of it. So let me do a swatch of it. This is it. Okay, this is how it feels on my hands. Feels kind of. What I love about it is it has carrot extract in it. It is a full sunblock. It doesn't have SPF level unlike the regular kind of sunscreen you're used to. I'll come to comparison because I have to compare the two. So let me just first say the good thing about this sunblock, because in the comparison you then have to decide for yourself which one you're gonna go for, because my job is to let you know what I experience, what I observe, and the good part, the negative part, then compare, then you decide for yourself, because I cannot decide for you. So we all know the importance of the carrot extract in this sunblock. Carrot extract in the cream helps for replenishing your skin. Why? Because the carrot extract has vitamin C. You all know most times when you have an open wound or open sore on your skin as a result of maybe inflammation, or maybe you had a cosmetic accident, and the doctor, for your skin to heal fast, the doctor give you some supplement that has vitamin C in it. Yes, the essence of that supplement that has vitamin C in it is to make your skin heal fast. It helps to heal your skin fast from aging, from any open sore, open wound. Yes, that is one good thing about vitamin C in any supplement that has to do for your that you use on your skin. So that is where this carrot extract in this sunblock comes in. So now to the comparison. I'm not going to call any sunscreen and product's name. I'm going to call it like the regular and this. So now comparing the regular sunscreen and for this sunblock, this is a sunblock because it's a full sunblock. Why it's called sunblock? Because everything in it doesn't have SPF level, unlike the regular sunscreen cream. The regular sunscreen cream is the cream that has a certain SPF level. That is to tell you, okay, this is the protection you get from this cream. This cream has a certain level of sunscreen protection in the cream. So it's more like a cream mixed together with a sunscreen protection in it. So that's why you see the SPF level, like some give you 15, some give you 20, some give you 30, some give you 50. I think the highest I've seen about 70 or 60. I'm yet to see 100. No, I've not seen. I'm yet to see. Yeah, but this doesn't have any SPF level. Why? Because it totally blocks the sun from your skin. Yes, that brings me to number 2, comparison. This blocks the sun from penetrating into your skin. That is, at the time you apply it on your skin, it totally blocks the sun from penetrating into your skin. Unlike the regular sunscreen, it absorbs the sun on your skin, but it still protects the sun from the harmful effect of the sun on your skin, despite it absorb it. Unlike this, totally block it, doesn't absorb anything on your skin. But for the sunscreen, after the sunscreen will absorb the sun on your skin, and for it to protect it completely from the harmful effect of the sun, all depends on the SPF level. You can see the difference. this totally blocks the sun from penetrating to your skin, but the regular sunscreen, it absorbs the sun but protects it from its harmful effect on your skin. All depends on your SPF level. Yes, that is number 2 comparison. So now to number 3 comparison has to do with you don't actually need to reapply this one. Just one-off application, you are covered for the whole day. But that of the regular sunscreen that has, depending on the SPF level, some SPF level maybe you just need to apply it like every 2 hours. Well, it's medically, it's always advised that no matter the SPF level you get, always apply it every 2 hours. Even if you have 15, if you have 30, if you have 80, always apply it every 2 hours. But this one is a one-off application. You don't need to reapply it. Yes. So now guys, let's go into. So number 4 advantages is the regular sunscreen does not prevent your skin from tanning. Yes, that is one of the downside of using the regular sunscreen. It's though it helps to prevent the harmful effect of the sun on your skin depending on the SPF level, but your skin still tans. And I drop a picture of a silver sunburn here. Yeah, that is if I have any. But this particular one is after preventing the sun from penetrating on your skin, it's also lighting up your skin. You can see the difference. That is why I love this so much, because I know people have been having challenges of, oh, I love to use sunscreen but my skin still tan. Yes, a lot of the sunscreen in the market, in short 99% of them, after using it, yes, it protects your skin from this harmful effect of the sun, but your skin will always tan. It will definitely tan. That is why you see some people after using sunscreen at night, they end up using a whitening cream. Sometimes I recommend that. That is depending on your skin. Not when you're dark you want to go use a whitening cream. I don't recommend that. But if naturally you are a very fair person, no matter how fair you are, be you white, and if you go under the sun, your skin will dark. You're going to have knuckles. So to fight against that is at night, sometimes once or twice in a week, you use a whitening cream or a whitening bath scrub to scrub out those dark tans look in your skin. But with this particular sunblock, you don't need to do that. Using it direct, it blocks the sun. I call it 3-in-1 because it blocks the sun from penetrating to your skin, at the same time maintain your skin tone. It's kind of lighten up your skin. Yes, but there's a little disadvantages to that. I will come to that. The disadvantages have to do with those that already have sunburn. Yes, to heal your sunburn. Yeah, despite it has carrot extract in it, which has vitamin C, which helps for replenishment of your skin, to make it have that youthful look, and also to make your skin heal very fast if you have open wound, open sore, and a severe sunburn. But there are ways you can use it that will either work for you or may backfire. Backfire in the sense that may worsen your situation. Yes, in everything you use in this life, there is always the good, the bad. If you overuse it, it will give you a side effect. If you use it appropriately, you will get the positive effect of using it. Same goes to water. Water is the safest thing on earth you can ever consume in your body. But there are ways to use it. If you overuse water, it may give you a negative side effect. Fine, the negative side effect may not be too detrimental to our health, but it can make you feel so uncomfortable. So if water can do that, let alone cream, let alone drugs. So guys, you just have to apply caution whenever you're using everything, because there's a saying that too much of everything is bad. So now guys, let me go to this negative side effects, how to use it, and well. So the negative part of it is it makes your skin light. So I wouldn't recommend you using it every time because it makes your skin lighter, though it doesn't have hydroquinone. Like personally, I don't go under the sun like every day. So if I'm entering the sun, that would like maybe twice in a week. So that is when I apply it. Yes, but if I'm going under the sun, I'm not going to be like under the sun for like maybe towards the process of transiting from one bus station to another, which takes like 5-10 minutes. So I don't bother to use it. But if I'm going to be under the sun for up to like 2 hours and above, that is when I apply this. So it's not like a everyday use because it lightens your skin. Mind you, it doesn't have hydroquinone in it. So if you have a severe sunburn, like you have a severe sunburn, I'll drop a picture here if I can get any, where your face, you have this kind of color like Coke and Fanta kind of face, maybe you overtune your skin like 4 or 5 shades away, and you end up using this, you're worsening your situation, you're making it worse than what you have already. So in that kind of situation, I would only recommend you to use my DIY. I have a DIY for severe sunburn. I'll drop the link in the description section. Check it out. It's very effective. But if your skin color is 4 shades away from the usual one that you usually have, it might take your skin color down like 2 shades darker because it's not going to make you light. It's going to correct the sunburn. It's going to correct your skin. It's going to replenish your skin. So that process of replenishing your skin is trying to bring back your skin to the normal. All our skin react differently. Some may use it within few days and it picks up. Some may use it within 2 days and it picks up. Some may end up using it 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Some may end up using it a month. So that is why our skin react differently to products, because our hormones has a major role to play in this. So you just have to be patient. So that is how to use this. That is the disadvantages of using this. You have to be careful. But if your skin, you don't have any sunburn, your skin is just normal, you want to protect your skin from the sun, fine, you can go ahead and use it, but use it when you know you're going to be under the sun for a very long time. But if you're going to be under the sun for like 10-15 maximum 30 minutes, don't even bother using the sunscreen. Just use your sunshade, wear a long sleeve, and you are covered. So where to buy this is you can get it in Africa online store like Gigi. Is on gigi.com, is in Jumia, is in Konga. No matter where you are in the world, you can always place your order on Jumia, Gigi. They will always send it to you, though it might be a little bit expensive. Here in Lagos, I walked into a store, I got it for $1 or less than $1. But if you're gonna get it online, I guess it's more expensive. It's about $5. But here, if you walk into any store in Nigeria, you get it for like $1. So the shipping might cost you up to like $10 for everything. Yeah, might cost you up to like 10 or more depending on your location. So just go on Google, type it, and you get it. So I think it's also in eBay. I'm not so sure, maybe I've seen it, I'm not so sure. Yeah, you can check it out on eBay or in AliExpress, any India store. Also available in India's online store. Yes, also available there. So guys, that is my review for today. I'll see you guys in my next video.